Hello, we're here in the Cape Verde Islands for 2 weeks, and tomorrow we're gonna go first to this island here, which is one of the second biggest island of this island group. After that we're gonna stay on that island where we are now, right now at the end, for 3 more days, and we're gonna discover the Cape Verde Islands a bit and see their culture, their eating habits and everything, what's included here.
We have no idea
what's
gonna happen.
So stay tuned and enjoy this video.
So they have this water system here and they open it once a day in the morning, and it's coming down from the mountains and the water goes here and it's giving water to all the banana plants here.
For the hike, take a small snack, sugar canes, as you see here. So we're gonna take it and then we can chew it. Just a nice snack for hiking, and if you want to keep yourself busy.
Nice, we feel like Bear Grylls now. It's really good.
It took me like 15 minutes to peel off the skin with my teeth. And now, like, I'm gonna try it. It tastes a bit like very sugary coconut water. It's strange because that's a different plant than coconut tree, but it tastes really like coconut.
So I just turned around this corner back there and there's a totally different world here. A lot of mango trees. This is a mango tree and it's amazing. We know that it's a mango tree because last year we planted mangoes in Sicily. So if you want to check out the video, I will put a link in the description.
Here we can see the mangoes, how they are before. These are the fruits they will grow.
Yeah, unfortunately no mangoes, right
for
now.
This season, yeah.
Here's the first process of doing rum, and it's the fermentation, and it stays here for a couple of weeks, and afterwards they burn it. We're gonna drink some of the rum.
Okay. Gut. Doch, das Endprodukt ist wieder. Das gibt Kraft.
Das ist echt gut.
Davon zahlt werden.
See if you take so much.
Now we got some fuel, some bananas and some rum for the rest of the tour.
The local people just gave us like sugar, but they already cut it for us, so we can just read it.
Yeah.
These are tobacco plants, and we thought about maybe taking 3 or 4 leaves, take them back to our house and dry them and roll them and smoke tobacco, like cigars. That's our plan. Let's see if we can make it work. They're a bit sticky. Maybe, if it's possible, papaya tree, small one, and a mango tree, and some sugar sticks to snack when we're back. And we're gonna plant it because we live now in Madrid in our room, which we have a bucket with soil.
We need the trees really small because we have only hand luggage. You see there are these papaya trees everywhere. On most of them there are only green papayas, but here we see some orange papayas. But
which means they're ripe. You can eat.
Yeah.
But we don't want to steal them, of course. There's like farmers here who plant them and have these trees, and so we're not gonna take them. So we just found this papaya and we were like, yeah, we have to take it because it's the right size to bring it in our luggage. Guys, we got a papaya. We got a papaya.
That was quick.
So this is not a field of some farmer or something, so that's why we took it. There are so many, like, I would love to take on them all. Like, it's like a ruin here. Like, there's like pirates here or something. Like, it's crazy.
No one wants to take another papaya, but it's so high. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, Noah is here, and the papayas are there. This is not an easy one, Noah. No chance. But we have a papaya, so pretty happy.
So guys, we just thought about it. Like, it's so satisfying that we have this papaya, because you know, humans are like animals basically. We are animals.
Yeah.
And we have these basic instincts inside of us, these hunter instincts, or
Yeah.
these collector instincts.
Exactly, the hunter instinct.
And now we have hunted this papaya basically. So it's like so much fun. We're so satisfied and fulfilled. Our life is now the best as it ever could
Yeah.
be.
Absolutely.
And this is amazing.
Yeah, so hunt for papayas at home, and yeah. We're gonna go fishing now with some locals, and we take that boat there to go to a bigger boat, and then from that boat we will fish. We're in the water now, and the problem at the beginning was that there were these huge waves and we couldn't get in, but now we're in the water.
We're going to the fish market here in Mindelo. It's the second biggest city in the Cape Verde Islands. Apparently it's crazy in there. We are gonna film it all for you.
Let's get inside.